Welcome to the era of remote work, where teams are connected not by office walls but by digital screens. As more organizations embrace flexible work arrangements, leaders face a new challenge: how to foster a strong, cohesive culture when everyone is working from different locations. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies for building and maintaining a vibrant team culture, even when your team is scattered across cities, countries, or even continents. Let's dive into the essentials of leading remote teams and discover how culture can thrive beyond the physical office. Team culture is the invisible glue that holds people together, especially when they're physically apart. Strong culture boosts engagement, trust, and productivity. In remote settings, it's easy for employees to feel isolated or disconnected. That's why leaders must be intentional about creating a sense of belonging and shared purpose. By prioritizing culture, you lay the foundation for collaboration, innovation, and long-term success, no matter where your team members are located. One of the first steps in building a remote team culture is setting clear expectations. When everyone understands their roles, responsibilities, and goals, it reduces confusion and builds trust. Leaders should communicate guidelines for communication, deadlines, and availability. This clarity helps team members feel confident and aligned, even when they're working independently. Regular check-ins and transparent processes reinforce these expectations and keep everyone on the same page. Open communication is the lifeblood of any remote team. Without face-to-face interactions, it's crucial to create multiple channels for sharing ideas, feedback, and updates. Leaders should encourage regular video meetings, instant messaging, and collaborative platforms. By making communication easy and accessible, you help team members stay connected, resolve issues quickly, and build trust. Remember, it's not just about work; casual conversations matter too. Technology is the backbone of remote collaboration. From video conferencing tools to project management software, the right tech stack can make or break your team's experience. Leaders should invest in reliable, user-friendly tools that support communication, file sharing, and task tracking. Training your team to use these tools effectively ensures everyone can participate fully and stay productive. Embracing technology also signals that you value efficiency and innovation. Trust is essential for any team, but it's especially important when working remotely. Without daily in-person interactions, team members need to feel confident that everyone is committed and accountable. Leaders can build trust by being transparent, following through on promises, and recognizing achievements. Encouraging autonomy and showing empathy also go a long way. When trust is present, collaboration flows naturally and challenges are easier to overcome. Celebrating achievements, big or small, helps reinforce a positive team culture. In remote teams, it's important to acknowledge milestones, project completions, and individual contributions. Leaders can organize virtual celebrations, send thank you messages, or create recognition programs. These moments of appreciation boost morale and remind everyone that their efforts matter. Even a simple shout-out during a team call can make a big difference. Remote work can sometimes feel isolating, so it's important to create opportunities for social interaction. Leaders can schedule virtual coffee breaks, game sessions, or informal chats where team members can connect beyond work topics. These activities help build relationships, foster camaraderie, and make work more enjoyable. When people feel connected on a personal level, collaboration and communication improve naturally. Work-life balance is a key part of a healthy remote culture. Without clear boundaries, remote employees may struggle to disconnect from work. Leaders should encourage flexible schedules, respect personal time, and model healthy habits. Providing resources for stress management and wellness can also support your team's well-being. When employees feel balanced and supported, they're more engaged and productive. Bringing new team members on board remotely requires extra care. A structured onboarding process helps new hires feel welcomed and integrated into the team culture. Leaders should provide clear information, assign mentors, and schedule regular check-ins. Virtual introductions and team-building activities can help break the ice and foster early connections. A thoughtful onboarding experience sets the tone for long-term engagement and success. Leaders play a crucial role in shaping remote team culture. By modeling the values and behaviors you want to see, you set the standard for the entire team. Show up on time for meetings, communicate openly, and demonstrate empathy and respect. When leaders are consistent and authentic, team members are more likely to follow suit. Leading by example creates a culture of accountability and trust. Continuous improvement is vital for remote teams. Leaders should regularly seek feedback from team members about what's working and what could be better. Anonymous surveys, one-on-one meetings, and open forums can all provide valuable insights. Acting on feedback shows that you value your team's opinions and are committed to making positive changes. This openness strengthens trust and engagement across the team. Remote teams face unique challenges, from miscommunication to time zone differences. Leaders should address issues promptly and constructively. Encourage team members to speak up about obstacles and work together to find solutions. By tackling challenges early, you prevent small problems from becoming major setbacks. This proactive approach keeps the team focused and resilient. Remote teams often bring together people from diverse backgrounds and cultures. Embracing this diversity can enrich your team's culture and spark creativity. Leaders should create an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Celebrate different perspectives, encourage cultural exchanges, and be mindful of time zones and holidays. Diversity is a strength that can drive innovation and success. Building a remote team culture is an ongoing journey. It requires consistent effort, open communication, and a willingness to adapt. By prioritizing trust, connection, and well-being, leaders can create a culture where everyone feels included and motivated. Remember, culture doesn't stop at the office door. It thrives wherever your team comes together, even behind a screen. Keep nurturing your culture and your remote team will flourish.